Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Joyce Bonagua, and I'm thrilled to guide you through a journey today. We'll be exploring how being nurtured by purpose can help great products grow, from baby steps to purposeful product breakthroughs. Let's talk about how a local company was able to grow every product with care and purpose, and discuss how products are developed from ideas through progress, then perfection. Like all of us, great products start small, growing through care, learning, and love. Everyone begins with a spark, a purposeful idea driven by the desire to solve something real. Then it takes its first steps, wobbly but full of promise. Each trial sharpens it, building strength and confidence. As the product grows, feedback fuels its evolution. This constant learning shapes what it becomes. Next comes the soft launch, the product's school days, where it begins to interact with real lives and real needs, testing how well it fits in the world. Finally, the product matures. It stands strong, confident, and deeply rooted in its original purpose, ready to make meaningful and lasting impact. Take the example of Human Nature, a company that embodies this journey beautifully. Their mission to craft high-quality, affordable natural products made with and for the Filipinos, while creating dignified jobs for the underserved communities. To them, product creation isn't just about perfection, it's about purpose and progress. They started with minimum viable products like shampoos and lotions and iterated quickly based on real customer feedback. They took their products directly to the people to learn and improve together. This learning by doing approach let them quickly meet real needs, crafting natural alternatives in the local market. They honed their skills, empowered their team, and stayed true to their mission by co-creating with local communities. From small steps to big growth, Human Nature continues refining products with care and testing. Listen closely to customers, turn feedback into action, maintained strong partnership with small-scale farmers, tested boldly to find the right market fit, and through it all, they grow with purpose, driven by heart and community spirit. Product development typically follows stages like idea generation to commercialization. But introducing new market offerings isn't just about product development. We raise them with purpose, people, and passion. It starts with a single purposeful idea. Then it is nurtured by the hands and hearts of communities because, like a child, a product thrives with the support of its village and continues to grow into something that truly makes a difference. Thank you for joining me today. This has been Joyce Bonagua from V106 Crazy X Marketing Class. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Let's share crazy ideas and grow together.